In today's video, you will learn how to make your iPhone aesthetic. Tap the screen. Click on Edit. Now on Customize. Now there are different color options here. You can pick one for your apps dark or light so they look aesthetic. This is light dark. I'll prefer this dark to make aesthetic. Now you can adjust the size. Now again tap on the screen. Click on Edit. Choose Add Widget. Now you can add any widget on screen. Here I have chosen Spotify. Now you can adjust these two stocks on one frame by drag like this. I hope you like this video and easy to understand, so don't forget to press the bell icon and PLZ like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks.